A narcissist will use logical fallacies in their arguments to control and deceive. Here's 6 fallacies that they use, and I'm going to explain why victims often struggle to defend against them. And I end the video with the one that people who watch this video might make. Number 1, the Adhominum fallacy. It hurts me when you dismiss my feelings and constantly prioritize your own needs over mine. You're just being sensitive and needy. You always make a big deal out of nothing. Instead of acknowledging their partner's feelings, they attack their partner's character. In an ad hominem fallacy, you attack the person rather than address the issue. A victim might struggle because they feel personally attacked and they feel caught off guard by the sudden shift in focus. Number 2, the appeal to authority fallacy. My opinion is right because I'm an expert. They assert their opinion as the only valid one. They're appealing to their own authority or expertise, but it dismisses other perspectives. A victim may struggle to defend themselves because they feel inadequate in comparison. You might be intimidated, especially if you lack the experience, expertise, or credentials. Number 3, circular reasoning. I'm right because I'm the smartest person in the room, and the smartest person in the room is always right. The narcissist will use their conclusion as a premise. It creates a logical loop that provides no evidence and no reasoning. A victim might struggle to defend themselves because the narcissist presented it as irrefutable. There's no room for a counter-argument. Number 4, the false dilemma. Either do what I say or you're against me. There is no middle ground. Now, this is perfectly in line with the black and white thinking of a narcissist. They present a limited set of options and they force the victim into an all or nothing choice. Alternative possibilities are just ignored. You may struggle to defend yourself on this one because you have pressure and you might fear the negative consequences. Number 5, the red herring fallacy. We're not going to talk about what I did. Let's talk about what you just did. The narcissist diverts attention away from what they just did and they introduce an unrelated and new topic. It distracts you and it derails the conversation. You may struggle to defend yourself on this one because you're so caught up defending or talking about the new issue. And here's the last one, number 6, the straw man fallacy. You really hurt my feelings when you said that. So I'm a piece of shit and I never do anything right. Here, you misrepresent the other person's argument. This makes it easier to attack and discredit. Another example of a straw man fallacy would be that because I said that narcissists use these, that only narcissists use these. Using the straw man fallacy, it would be very easy to discredit my video. Manipulators, deceivers, emotionally charged people, internet trolls, politicians, and just general poor critical thinkers often also use logical fallacies. The most commonly used one is the ad hominem fallacy. It's the most effective way to divert the attention from the actual issue or the wrongdoing onto the person. Which ones have you seen in your dealings with a narcissist?